What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today we're going to be replacing the Serpentine belt on our 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. So I got the part right here. I didn't get the Duralast. I got this one because it came with a 3-year warranty, and I'm going to be up here in Alaska for a little while, so I wanted it to last. And the part we're going to replace is this belt right here. It's a little squeaky, and I did replace the belt tensioner, which is where the end of this long handle goes into. 3/8 inch drive, just goes right down there, plugs right in down there, and I replaced that down there in an earlier video, so feel free to check that one out. But today I'm just going to replace the belt. It's a little squeaky, and so you can see it winds all throughout here, goes all the way down and around there. But you want to make sure you look for your diagram before you take the belt off and take a picture of it. So I've got the 5.7 liter, which is right there in the middle. That's your routing pattern for how you're gonna route the belt through there. And I got a better picture here. Another YouTube video, 1A Auto, thanks guys. They took the radiator off so you can actually see the belt pattern outlined in red. So all I'm gonna do is replace that belt. And what I've done, I've stuck a 3/8 inch drive right in that hole there, and I'm gonna pull it up and to the right or clockwise to release tension on the belt, and I'm going to pull it off, and then I'm going to put the new one on. So this is the start, and in just a few minutes I'll take this off and put the new one on. We'll be right back. One quick thing I want to make a note of, a quick thing is, yeah, you've got the fan in here. You don't have to take this off actually to get it on. You can actually route it underneath, and then it comes kind of up and over that, so you don't have to take it off. So I've got them side by side here so we can see. The one on the right is my new one. It's obviously folded up quite a bit still, but looking at the grooves on this one, brand new. Looking at the grooves on this one, still looks good, but it's hard to tell. They just don't feel, the grooves don't feel as deep as they do on this one, and the edges feel a little firmer around there. So I'm going to stick it on and show you guys what it looks like, and that'll be the end of it. All right, so as you're feeding the belt around, you want to feed those bottom three. You want to get it around the bottom three first. That's funny, I can't do this end point entirely well. See if that'll rest. Yeah, so you want to get it around the spindles 1, 2, and 3. And then the last one you want to get it around is where your tensioner is, right there, because you're going to have to pull it to get the last bit of tension on there, which is good. That's fine. You want this to be tight as you're doing it. All right, once you get it seated on there, you want to make sure that on every wheel that you put it around, that it's seated perfectly there, seated perfectly here. I actually had an issue with that one down there, and with it not being seated right in the center, because when you go to crank this, you'll know if it fits or not. And if you hear something malfunction or something sound not the way it's supposed to, check that right away. Make sure all this is seated in the grooves down there. And same thing on that side over there. And you can even get underneath the vehicle if you need to. And I recommend it because that's what I had to do to sync up those bottom ones around the bottom wheels. But it worked out well. Everything is synced up. And now we're going to start it. All right, so we started it up. Worked just fine. No squeaks. Actually felt stronger starting up. The belts have had a few laps on them, and they look to be all synced in there where they're supposed to be. Still, I'm actually happy that was so easy, and you guys can do it too. Fairly simple. Again, always double check against the diagram. Make sure that's good to go, and you guys will be set. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and comment if you thought it was good, or let me know if you got any questions. I'll be happy to help you guys out. Again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time. See you guys later.